What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I know it's been a couple weeks since I did a video. I don't know if this video will get put out this weekend or not. We're gonna try a little something different this week's video. Neighbor's got this air compressor here. It's definitely seen better days. I'm gonna try to do a restore on it. It works. It's got a hole in it. I'll show that in the video. Got to weld that up, sand it all down, paint it, try to get the bolts unrusted, looking new. Paint job, that should be it. That should cover it. Take all the fittings off, re-Teflon them. If anything's broke, try to replace it as much as possible. But yeah, let's get to this restore. Alright guys, so we got the air compressor all the way broke down. I guess I'm gonna have to leave that fitting and that pipe on there. It's pretty tight. That or get a socket for a 1/2 inch drive and use a 1/2 inch drive to get it off. Other than that, it's pretty much in there. I'll probably just leave it on there through the restore. Tape it off when I paint it. Yeah, we'll show you what it looks like broke down. What all it's probably gonna need. So guys, as you can tell, it's definitely seen better days. There is a hole in it. I will have to weld right there. Get all this surface rust. Hopefully it's just surface rust. Might sound like there's something in it. I am not going to cut it apart though. Definitely not going to do that to get whatever's in there out. It'll just have to stay. But yeah, there it is. It's an old Craftsman. It runs. Trust me, I checked all that beforehand, so it does run. Trust me on that.